In 2026, Google Maps reviews are crucial for businesses and consumers alike. They significantly influence local search rankings and help users make informed decisions. This tutorial will guide you through the process of writing effective reviews on Google Maps, highlighting recent AI enhancements and multimedia options. Statistics show that businesses with over 50 reviews see a 1.7x higher click-through rate, emphasizing the importance of collecting and responding to reviews. The process for accessing the review platform is identical on iOS, Android, and desktop. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device or the Google Maps website on your computer. Next, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This is required to post reviews. Search for the specific business or location you want to review using the search bar. Tap or click on the place from the search results to open its details page. On the details page, scroll to find the reviews section where you can begin writing your review. Once on the business's page, scroll to the reviews section. Click Write a Review or Add a Photo. Start by assigning a star rating from 1 to 5 stars. This is a required field and directly impacts the overall rating of the business. Take a moment to reflect on your overall experience before proceeding. Remember to add a photo if you have one. The next step is to write a detailed text review. While optional, this is highly recommended. Aim for clarity and specificity. Mention particular aspects like the ambiance, staff friendliness, or product quality. Be honest and original, basing your review on your personal experience. Google allows up to 5,000 characters, so be thorough but concise. Focus on providing constructive feedback. Step 4 focuses on adding photos and videos to your Google Maps reviews. Enhance your feedback by including photos or short videos up to 30 seconds long. Visual content makes reviews much more engaging for other users. Since 2024, video reviews have grown tremendously in popularity, providing a dynamic way to share your experience. You can upload up to 10 images or videos per review to provide comprehensive visual context. Ensure your visuals are relevant and add meaningful context to your written feedback, helping other users understand your experience better. For example, this image shows a review section with customer photos and ratings, demonstrating how visuals enhance feedback. This mobile screen shows reviews with AI-generated summaries, illustrating how visual elements support detailed feedback. Here's a product review featuring a photo and highlights, showing how visuals make reviews more informative. This image represents customer feedback with ratings, emphasizing the importance of visual elements in reviews. Finally, note that new accounts may have restrictions on video uploads to help prevent abuse and maintain review quality. After writing your review and adding media, you might be prompted to select specific attributes, such as great food or poor service. These attributes help categorize feedback. Here's a tutorial showing how to select attributes during the review process. Finally, post your review. Google uses AI-enhanced verification to ensure authenticity. Reviews are typically moderated within 24 to 48 hours before appearing publicly. This is the moderation interface where reviews are checked for quality before going public. Ensure your review complies with Google's policies. Avoid spam, offensive language, or false claims. Be transparent about affiliations. Since 2026, disclosure is required if you are incentivized. Reviews must avoid defamation. Google's AI now flags potential violations, ensuring reviews are trustworthy and based on genuine experiences. Google Maps reviews are evolving from simple text to rich multimedia experiences with videos and augmented reality. AI-driven personalization will tailor review prompts based on your past experiences and preferences. Integration with emerging technologies like AR will make reviews more immersive and interactive. Reviews are projected to influence 70% of local business decisions by 2030. By following these steps, you can contribute valuable feedback to the Google Maps community and support local businesses.